All right, it's time to take the old Ford out, get some gas, give it a little exercise. This is my 1974 Ford F350. It's a camper special, which means the rear axle is a little bit further back to handle the weight. Two-wheel drive, 460 cubic, well, 460 engine anyway. So let's give this thing some exercise. All right, I decided to dash mount a camera because the head gear I had, you couldn't really see out the window. So let's give this a shot. I'm thinking of doing some different vehicle vlogs, driving scenarios, and I think this is going to be my starting intersection for my motorcycle ones, my old truck ones, maybe even the RAV4, although that may not be as interesting. I like this intersection because of the murals we have in town. Great that we have a little bit of public art for such a small town. So I got this truck a couple years ago, primarily to haul firewood and you know, run errands, dump runs, Home Depot, those sorts of things. I had a Dodge Dakota that was my daily driver. That was my primary truck, and then I got this so I could get firewood, because the Dakota had such a small capacity. And this being a 1-ton and a full-size bed, I could really load it up. So I'm getting ready to go cut some firewood in a few weeks down at the coast with my brother, who has a channel called he has a channel called The Bearded Woodworker, and hopefully we'll get to shoot some videos together, do a little content creation. This is all new to me. He's the one who's inspired me to start doing some recordings and post them on YouTube. Roads out in Washington County where I live are really beautiful. There's some great roads to ride on my motorcycle. I have a Yamaha Royal Star Tour Deluxe. I call it a lazy boy on two wheels. So I'm thinking this weekend we'll get a little bit of sun. Might still be cold, but we'll get a little bit of sun. I'll pull it out of the garage and take it for its first ride of 2018. And I'll probably attach the camera to the bike and record some of that. But I don't have the mic set up that those moto vloggers have, where they can talk while riding. So maybe I'll do a little ride and then overlay some music on it. It's a little experimentation. We're coming up on a little patch of woods that I really like riding through on my bike. Feels like I'm going through like an elven forest or something. Wish it was a little longer, but it's pretty cool. Hopefully you get a sense of it here as we drive through. back into town. School bus. So here you'll see the murals coming back into town the other direction. I think I like the idea. We'll see how it turns out. I like the idea of always starting and stopping. A little moto vlog, motor vehicle vlog, motorcycle vlog, starting from the same intersection. So here we go. And there's Dyke's Garage. Great guys, mechanics. Anyway, if you are interested in watching some more of my endeavors, feel free to subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Otherwise, peace out.